In the modern age of forensics, we've been told there is no such thing as a perfect crime. A single skin cell, a strand of hair, a microscopic drop of sweat. It's a genetic confession. But what happens when the science we trust simply stops working? Tonight, we dive into the file of the Midnight Caller, a predator who didn't just hide from the law, it mocked the very building blocks of our biology. He left behind enough DNA to convict 100 men. Yet, when the labs ran the sequences, the results shouldn't have been possible. It wasn't a match. It wasn't a miss. It was a ghost.
Hello? What's there? Is anyone there?
It began in a quiet suburb in 1994. The pattern was always the same. At exactly 12:03 a.m., the phone would ring. If you picked up, there was only silence. If you didn't, he was already outside. The Midnight Caller didn't just break in, he stalked. He knew the floorboards that creaked. He knew which windows didn't lock. And most terrifyingly, he left trophies behind, deliberate traces of himself intended to be found. The police thought they had him. They collected high-quality samples from 3 different scenes. They had a full profile. They just needed a name. Here is where the case defies reality. In 2002, with the advent of advanced CODIS searching, the DNA was run again. The result? The profile belonged to a man named Elias Thorne. There was just one problem. Elias Thorne had been dead for 10 years before the crimes began. Investigators were baffled. Was it a lab error? A contaminated sample? They exhumed Thorne's body. The DNA matched perfectly. But dead men don't make phone calls. And they certainly don't commit home invasions. This brings us to the chilling anomaly. Some experts suggest the killer was a chimera, someone with two sets of DNA. Others suggest a more terrifying theory, genetic spoofing. Was the Midnight Caller a scientist himself, planting synthetic DNA to lead police in circles? The calls stopped as abruptly as they started in 2012. No one knows why. Did he die? Did he move? Or did he finally perfect his method of invisibility? To this day, the Midnight Caller profile remains in the system, a digital ghost waiting for a body that science says doesn't exist. The fear isn't just that he's out there. The fear is that our greatest weapon against evil, our own biology, can be turned against us. Is it possible for a human to truly be untraceable, or is there a piece of the puzzle we're still missing? Let me know your theories in the comments. Was it a lab cover-up or something much more sinister? If you found this case as unsettling as I did, hit the like button and subscribe for more unsolved murders and haunting mysteries. And remember, if the phone rings at midnight, maybe don't answer.